You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today I will be doing a review of some solid gel creams that I received. A company reached out to me by the name of BuriBuri or BuriBuri. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And they wanted me to test some of their solid cream gels. And I was so surprised on how many items that they sent me. But I am so thankful. So thank you for sending those out to me. These are the only cream gels that I believe I have. I don't think I've had any other cream gels outside of what was sent to me. And guys, if you are interested in seeing what I got, I was so floored by the consistency of these products and the colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm not gonna do a whole lot of talking, especially when it comes to the swatching part. I'll just let you see me swatch. But like I said, just based off what I did in this video, I am so surprised. And I didn't think I would actually enjoy cream gels, but I'm definitely keeping these because I thought I would probably end up reviewing it, not liking it, and giving it away in a kit. But I'm not giving these away. I mean, in a giveaway. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all the seals that they have on here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Okay, so as you can see, this particular one comes with 3 different colors. You have your white, like a army type. Well, I wouldn't say it's like an army with a green with a yellow tinge to it, and a nude color. And it has the number on the back. They don't have names, but they do have the number, so I'm showing you that. And this one I'm going to remove the seal as well, and it's the same exact style, but just of course you see it's in different colors. So this color combination is so pretty, so pretty. I love how these are being packaged. They make you think you're getting like cosmetics. It gives you that vibe. So the next item is this 6-piece kit that came, and it came with a brush, and the brush has little crystals down at the bottom of it. I can't remember if I show you guys the how much is in there. If I don't, I'll make sure I'll leave that on the screen. So if you guys are interested in it, you know, the quantity, that's the amount that's inside those little jars. But like I said, the consistency of these, I like really enjoy them. So if you don't have any cream gels and you're looking for some, definitely give them a try out. I have all the descriptions and the information linked down below, as well as a discount code. So this particular kit is the fluorescent kit. So it's 1 through 6. And when I say OMG, OMG. Now I will say this, when you're dealing with cream gels, they don't apply as, you know, like a traditional regular gel polish. They tend to be a little bit more streaky, but what I found is once I went in with the second layer and the top coat, you couldn't even see it. So this one right here is the last one that they sent me, and this gives me that eyeshadow palette look. And it comes with 6 colors, and it also comes with a brush. So you get a solid color, then you get a glitter, then you get a solid color, then you get a glitter, then you get a solid color, then you get a glitter. And the glitters kind of match what the solid color is. Well, not necessarily match, but it complements that. That's the color I'm using. So right now I'm just showing you the 2 different brushes that I received from them. One came with this palette, and then the other one came with the one that was in the box. So I will open them up and show you what they look like, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start swatching. I just love how they coordinated the glitters to match the solid colors. They're so pretty. Now I will say this, with the glitters, they're a little bit more on the chunkier side. So when you're applying them, you have to keep in mind that you might not necessarily have a smooth finish when you're done. So you would need to go in and add, I like to use a base coat because it's a little bit more thicker to kind of encap the glitter. And then if you still find it, you know, not smooth, you can always go in and buff it, lightly buff it, because you don't want to remove too much of the glitter. And then you'll go in and you'll add your top coat after you cleanse the nail and get rid of all the dust. So I got my swatch sticks out. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start swatching. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you that these little trays do come out, so you can remove which color that you want. If you don't want to, you know, put the whole thing out, you can always just remove whichever one that you want. And I do notice, like, when you're using these, you have to kind of dig into the pudding. You wouldn't necessarily just go in thinking that you can just swipe against the color and then it'll pick up. You do have to kind of dig in and pull out the color. So this particular color is going on sheer, but it will build up once I apply the second one. The colors aren't like really in your face opaque. I know I always use that. I guess that's the best way I can kind of describe it. So if you're looking for something really bold, you would definitely have to build this up to get the look that you might be looking for. But after I finished swatching all of these colors, like I said, I was surprisingly impressed. Because when I first started applying it, I was like, I don't know about this. I don't know if I'm going to like it. But guys, I promise you, at least with this particular company, I've never tried any other company. Like I said, I don't believe I have any pudding gels. I do have some Vanillisa, but I don't even think they consider those pudding. I think it's more like painting gels. So like I said, when I first was doing this, I was kind of like, I don't know if I'm going to like this. But the more I started to use it, and by the time I applied the second coat and then went in with a top coat, I was like, oh yeah, I can definitely work with this. So definitely give this a try. If you don't want to get this brand, try other brands. But definitely, I think this one is definitely a thumbs up. Okay guys, so this is the palette once again. Those are the 6 colors that come in here, and these are all of the colors. Now I did go in and apply 2 coats and a top coat to this. Well, actually I didn't apply a top coat because I wanted you to kind of see right there with the glitter. You see how it's kind of sticking out on the side? This is what I was talking about. Like, some of the pieces are kind of chunky, so they have like hexes in here, fine glitter, and I believe it's some shreds, some holographic shreds. So all 3 of the glitters are holographic, and then you have your solid colors. So like with the pink and the blue, you can kind of see how sheer it is. But you know, you can always build that color up. And of course, if you put it on top of a neutral color, it'll pop more. So right now I'm showing you the next solid gel cream that I have, which is the blue, the purple, and it has that glitter in it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this and let you guys watch, and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so here I'm going in with the second one, and like I said, these have the 3 grids in it. So this is more of the, I say more of like a fall color scheme in this particular one. So you have like, I don't know if it's like an army green, I don't know what color to describe it, because it has that green with that yellow tinge to it, and then you have your white, and then you have your brown. But these are definitely giving me fall vibe colors, which is fine because you can always use this in the upcoming fall season. So I'm gonna just go ahead and let you guys watch me swatch these, and then I'll come back at the end and we'll discuss those 2 particular grids that I have. Okay guys, so here are all 6 colors swatched, and I did go in and swatch these twice off camera. Well, added another coat off camera, I should say, as well as the top coat. And these colors are absolutely beautiful. That glitter, it has that iridescence, so it picks up some greens, some blues, a hint of pink, a little purple. It is very, very pretty. So I am really pleased, like I said, in this collection. So now we're going to jump into the fluorescent colors. Now, all of these in the pots did come sealed. Right now I'm just showing you the fluorescent colors with the numbers, because none of these colors are named, they just have numbers. But these colors are absolutely beautiful. I got a great selection. I am so impressed with this company's products, and this color scheme is off the chain. So I did leave one sealed just so you can see what it looks like. And I believe it's this last one, number 6. So it does have that little tab on the side, and you can just pull it and pull the foil off. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start swatching these, and then I'm going to come back. Okay, so now that we have all 6 of these colors swatched, these colors are absolutely gorgeous. Now, I will say when I first did that orange one, it was giving me more of a yellow vibe, a little tease. And I was like, oh, this isn't the color. But by the time I added another layer, it kind of came up as orange. It's just not as opaque. But these are fluorescent neon type colors. So these are going to go beautiful if you put down like a white base and then add the colors on there. They're really, really pop. So this is everything that I got and that was sent to me. And each collection, well, the first 2 collections from the left to the middle come with 6 colors, and then those 2 little round has 3 colors each in it. So overall, guys, I am very, very impressed with these. I absolutely love them. I'm glad to have this part of my collection. Let me know down below what you guys think of this collection. Would you purchase it? Which one was your favorite? I always have all the links as long as they're still available. I'll leave them down below, and I also have a discount code for you guys. So go ahead and take advantage of this. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you stay to the end of this video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You guys don't know how much I appreciate you guys watching my videos and commenting. I love you all so much for that. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know